Hi everybody, welcome to my cozy cottage. Thank you so much for stopping by. Jody and Tootsie here, ready to say hello. Do you want to say hello, Tootsie? Dare I give Tootsie a little kiss so she can give you a little hello? Watch her face, it's just the cutest. But then she gives me a kiss, I don't know. But anyways, today is Tablescape Tuesday collab. I apologize, I am a day late. Today is Wednesday, but this is part of Tablescape Tuesday's collaboration. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's Anna, and Amethyst Adventures, and that's Courtney. So I'd like to share two of my Easter tablescapes with you. But before I begin, I want to show you a few things that will be on my table. I have to show you this adorable bunny teapot. Is this not the cutest? Tootsie's in my hand, so I'm going to turn it just so I can show you a little better. I got this thrifted, and it has butterflies and tulips, and this will be on one of my tables. And what I loved about it is it had, like, I'm going to take the bunny head off of the top. It has checkered, and it reminded me of Mackenzie Child. Is it not adorable? So I got this whole set thrifted, and it cost me $7.99. Let me show you the little teacup. First of all, look at the spoon that comes with the teacup. It has a little tulip, and what's on the end here? A little I'm not sure if that's a bee or a butterfly. Little bug. So that's the spoon. Look at this teacup. Is this not adorable? The little feet, the little butterfly. Let me see what the brand is on the bottom. I don't really see anything. But it is adorable. So I have this set. And let me show you the saucer for the teacup. Look at this. Is that not adorable? So this will be on one tablescape. And then I will be showing you my dining room tablescape for Easter also. So there'll be two tablescapes in this video. I also wanted to share one other thing that I want to haul relevant to Easter. I bought these adorable bunny ears. I tried to put them on Tootsie, but she was not cooperating. So I did a shorts video, and you'll see me trying to put ears on Tootsie. It just didn't work. Look, she wants nothing to do with it. And let me show you these. These are tulips that I got from TEMU. I got 10 tulips for $1.37. So this vase has 25 tulips in it. I wanted a nice full look. So those are a few things I wanted to share before we begin on the tablescapes. And let's move over to see the tablescapes. And before we go on to that, I would love you to check out the playlist of all the tablescapes that will be on this. And I will have them linked below, the hosts of the collaboration. All right, with all that being said, let's begin and see the tables. I also wanted to add that before I begin the tablescape, there is a quick DIY that I do to get ready for my tablescape. And I was using the garland, black and white check garland from the Dollar Tree. And I'll show you what I did with that for my tablescape. Okay, so let's do this quick DIY for my tablescape. I have this garland that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I decided these little checkered bunnies were so cute. I want to use them to decorate my table. So what I'm going to do is cut apart the garland, and I'm going to make napkin rings out of two of the bunnies. And with some other bunnies, I am going to make some little table decor and just make some little bunnies that can stand on my table using these Jenga blocks. I got the Jenga blocks from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I glued two of the bunnies back to back because they were the same size. And I glued them to the bottom of a Jenga block. And I just held them for a few seconds, and it worked out really great. So my problem is I have those little holes, and I have to figure out what to cover them with. Well, here we go. I found these little gems of tiny flowers at the Dollar Tree. And I sorted them by color because I wanted to make sure I had enough to match and cover both sides of the bunny and have them all the same. So I decided to go with the blue for my little stand-up bunnies and the green for my napkin rings. here's how the napkin rings came out with the green. What I used for the back of my napkin ring were shower hooks that I also had from the Dollar Tree. And here is how the blue came out on the stand-up bunnies. I think they're really cute. Let me know what you think in the comments. Welcome to my first Tablescape. This is my little whimsical table with my adorable new little tea set. I am just in love with this little teapot. She is so cute. Now on my table, there is my little stand-up DIY bunny. And my plates are these checkered bunnies from Hobby Lobby, and I am in love with them. I think they're so cute. I just placed them on a black plate. Here's a close-up of my DIY napkin rings. Very simple. Glued the bunny right to a shower curtain hook. Can't get much easier than that. No one should be peeking underneath my napkin. All right, next we'll take a look at the teacup. And my beautiful sequin runner was from TEMU, and it was just a little over $3, I believe. And that's pretty much it. I did put the saucers on each end just to add a little something on the end of the table, and they are so cute. I just thought they'd be an extra little piece of decor on the table. So this is pretty much the reveal of my first whimsical Easter tablescape. So what'd you think of the tablescapes? I'd love for you to leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Which was your favorite? There were two different styles. And I'd like to thank you so much for watching. I'd love for you to consider subscribing, joining my Cozy Cottage family. And a thumbs up is greatly appreciated. It helps YouTube know that someone watched our videos. So it really helps our channels. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching, my friends. I hope you have a wonderful night. Bye for now.